Welcome. Today we're excited to introduce order notification for WooCommerce, the simple yet powerful way for WooCommerce store owners to stay instantly informed the moment a new order comes in. This lightweight plugin runs quietly in the background, checking for new orders in real time and playing an audio alert right in your browser as soon as a sale happens. No dashboard refreshing needed. Now, let's check how to set it up in an easy, step-by-step way. Now, go to your WordPress dashboard, and in the search box, type Audio Alert. Find the plugin and click Install. Once installed, click to activate. Now the plugin is activated. Now, go to Order Notifier and enable its settings. Now, click here to start your notifier. Also, you can turn the volume on or mute here. Now, let's see a demo of how the sound alert works when a customer places a new order. Thanks for watching.